Good morning, class. May I request everyone to please rise for our prayers to be led by Justin.
Let's be aware of that all of us will learn and will lesson.
Good morning again, class. Before you take your seats, I want you to pick up pieces of paper under your chairs and arrange it properly. You may now take your seats. Now, let's check your attendance first. As I call your names, please respond present. Okay? Tugas?
Present.
Okay, great. Everyone is present. Good job, everyone. But before anything else, I would like to introduce ourselves. I am teacher Mikali Padilla.
I am teacher Maria Isabel Capusa.
And I am teacher Juana May Gutierrez.
I am teacher Clyde Faye.
I am teacher Rochester Ramos.
And we are your teachers for today. Now, let's have a review of the past lesson that we had. Do any of you remember here what are the forms of music? Justin?
The forms of music, teacher, are binary, ternary, and rondo.
Excellent. Good job. Okay. So the three forms of music are binary, ternary, and rondo. Now, what are their differences? Anyone? Piano?
Well, binary has two-part, ternary has three-part, and rondo has alternating four.
Impressive. So what Piano answered is correct. Now, are you ready, students?
Yes.
Are you listening?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Today, all of you will become sound detectives. Yay. Are you ready? Then you will become sound detectives. And your job is to listen carefully and figure out what is making the sound. Now, I will play several sounds and you will figure out if it is high pitch or low pitch and if it is soft or loud. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Start. Listen. Listen carefully.
So, ice cream. Recess.
Now, what is making that sound?
Bell.
Mark?
Bell.
Very good. Now, is it high pitch or low pitch?
High
pitch.
High
Very
pitch.
good. Is it soft or loud?
Sound.
Very good. Now, this one. This one. Listen carefully.
Roll.
Drum.
Drums.
Tugas?
Sound.
Okay, is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Is it high pitch or low pitch?
Low pitch.
Good job. Let's give the clap a good job clap. Okay, repeat after me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, let's stand up. Everyone, okay. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Okay, very good. Now let's have another example. This is women. What this one? Now, what is making that sound?
Drum.
Is it high pitch or low pitch?
High.
Low pitch. Is it soft or loud?
Loud.
Very good. Now let's have another one. This will be the last one. Listen carefully, okay? Okay, Okay, what is making that sound? You listen carefully.
Orchestra.
Me.
Okay, Mark.
Orchestra. Orchestra.
Okay, very good. This is choir or a person singing. Is it high pitch or low pitch?
High
pitch. Good job. Is it soft or loud? Okay, very good, everyone. Now, to proceed with our discussion, may I call on teacher Luana? So everyone, good morning. Good morning. Since you identified different sounds earlier, we will be proceeding to another example. So here's different examples. Kindly listen carefully.
What you doing? Wait.
So everyone, I will call teacher Mikhaili to play us a tune or about using guitar. So you will describe the sound. So how can you describe the sound that teacher Mikhaili played? Almar, can you stand up?
It has different notes.
How can you describe it?
It has different notes and sound and pitches and
Yes, very good. So it has different sounds. So now I have here another example, and teacher Maria will play a tune using the ukulele.
ukulele.
So how would you describe the sound that is made by the ukulele? Anyone? Anton, how would you describe the sound of the ukulele?
Because
Stand up.
different sounds, sir.
Very good. It has different sounds. So now I have here another example. Everyone, can you listen? Use your ears, not your mouth.
Sige. Ano ba gari? Balulit.
So Justin, how would you describe that sound? How would you describe it?
Sound is soft, teacher.
Soft. Okay, the sound is soft. So that sound was made by an instrument that is called violin. So I have here another example. Listen up. Okay, lovely. Can you stand up? How would you describe the sound? Describe the sound. It's like calming and I want to dance. Yes, very good. You want to dance. So now I have here another example. So let's listen to other examples that is not of the instrument but also the voices. Okay, Stella, can you stand up? How would you describe the sound that is made? High pitch, very good. It has high pitch. Here, I have here another example, another and the last example.
Look at this,
Everyone listen.
I do for you, there's no one else around. We and you in awkward silence, don't know.
So anyone, how would you describe the song? The sound, the voice. Lovely. describe it as something like magmatanaw what, like this, what movies, movies or anything about story. So now, you identify and describe different sounds and voices. So you describe and identify it because of what we call the timbre. Timbre is what our topic for today. So now you'll listen, observe, and repeat after me. So you will repeat, okay? This is my speaking voice.
This is my speaking voice.
So, kita tanan, this is my speaking voice.
This is my speaking voice.
So that speaking voice, you use it every day, right?
Yes.
And now repeat after me again. This is my speaking voice.
This is my
So when you're whispering, it's like quieter in voice, right?
Yeah.
So now repeat after me. This is my shouting voice.
This is my shouting voice.
So when you shout, you sound like you're angry, right? Like you're asking for a fight.
Yes.
So that's how timbre works. So that's how timbre works. So timbre makes every sound unique. It is the color or the quality of the sound. So in your whispering di ba nag-use mo voice? So your voice has a special sound or tone color. You use it for speaking, singing, humming, whispering, shouting like we did earlier. So any sound can be made through your voice, your mouth, your vocal cords. So part of getting the most of listening to music involves being able to hear, right? So what do you use when you're listening to music? What sense do you use? Hearing. So you use your ears. So now I have here an example. A telephone made up of tin can and a string. So I want somebody to pupils that will come here in front and use. So Elmar can just say. So there. So, okay, everyone, you will observe, listen, and listen. So, yeah. So, okay, Elmar, you could say 5% lang. So,
Dapat straight ang imong fan sa kuan dapat ay anak. You place your ear in the fan.
to say the word music.
Did you hear it? You pilit the ano?
Put it in your ear.
Meron.
No.
Pilipino ko eh.
So, balik, ano po Korea?
Ga-whisper ah, huwag ka musgaw ah. Di ba lugan?
Isa sa lang ng normal voice.
You say it, I'm bayot. Uy, hindi ko. Kung kumelaw. Yes!
So, said. Majoset. So now, Elmar and Justin. How would you describe your voice, the voice of Elmar?
Very slow. Very high voice.
So do you have the same voice?
No, because this whispering in the camera.
So you don't have the same voice. That is because of
Different.
different. Kindly sit down. Thank you. Thank you.
What
So that's how timbre works. Kapag mo pagkuha niya sa pagkabugan niya through the telephone that is made by a tin can and a string. So now, can anyone think of a sound that you can recognize without seeing that object? Okay, lovely. Can you stand up? TikTok. What object is producing that sound? A clock. Very good. It's a clock. How about you, Christy? Can you think of an object that produces a sound and you can recognize without seeing it? Can you stand up? What sound does a car produce?
Bro, bro.
How about you, Neil?
Ambulance.
What sound does an ambulance? Another, Justin.
Gunman.
What does that sound like? Good, and that sounds like that. How about the Elmer?
Boatman.
Can you stand up? How does the goat sound like? Okay, now, do you have a goat in your house? Yes.
When that day comes to our house, now.
So that's how things work. You recognize objects or animals without seeing it. That's because of timbre. So timbre is an important aspect of music that adds depth and richness to our listening experience. It allows us to distinguish between instruments playing the same note or even two different singers singing the same melody. So, like we did earlier, di ba? Kung magstorya, bagong lugar ka sa inyong friends, Kayla, Alisa, di ba? Makabalo ka nga si Jasmine kung nagtawag sa iya because ma-recognize na niya because of that timbre. Makabalo naman dun siya sa sound sa inyong friend. So now, here's a video of how timbre adds up to music. So here's a video of fusion of two instruments. So now everyone listen. Listen, sir. So what did you notice on the video? Kila, what did you notice?
The two person plays different instruments.
Yes, very good. They play the same, two different instruments. How about Yalmar? What did you notice?
They are both playing different instruments and each instrument have different notes, but the two performers do it harmoniously.
Yes, good. So in the video, they're using two different instruments and they're playing the same passage. Diba? Same music or ilang gibuhatan o kuan by using the violin and the piano. So it was mixed together and it made a song more beautiful. So now let me call on teacher Mikhaili and let me call teacher Mikhaili and a volunteer student to play us a song using a guitar and a ukulele. So now everyone listen and observe. notice when they play the song? Kada, aside from the voice of Mr. Mikhaili, what did you notice? What did you notice?
I've noticed, teacher, that the sound of guitar is much louder than the ukulele.
Very good. Mas louder ang guitar kaysa sa ukulele. How about you, Ken? What did you notice on the song that they played?
Yes, the voice and the guitar openings.
Very good. So, they played the same song, right? Pero different ang timbres at locations. And they made a song more beautiful. So now, we will play a game, a sound guessing game. So I will divide the class into two groups. So, count mo 1, 2, 1, 2, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. So group 1 will be here and group 2 will be here. Everyone has their hand, 1 and 2. Yeah. Okay.
number 2, pero
Isigo sa nakaw gamay ang chair. Mabili na rin ang upat ka chair diri at upat ko diri. Isigo gamay. Upat ibili upat ko. Ang mga chisit diri sa So every group, everyone settle down here. So every group, every rotation. Now we got 4 representatives on mag-sit each one. Tapos, by turn niya siya, so dapat maka-turn ang uban, bala maka-appeal dire. Tapos, bala mag-repeat ng uban kay 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Then, di ba, kunya ang first group, ang dire nga group is magtalikod. So, ang dire nga group, no, sila yung mag-make of sound, any sound, isa sa representative. Tapos, ang dire nga group, mag-guess kung isa kung nag-make ato nga sound. Understood?
I saw
Pwede yung representative dire, upat-upat. Everyone, upat-upat. Upat-upat. Pwede ba rin siya mag-tingin? Using your voice, mag-guess na sila, kita sa inyo upat ang nag-take at mag-sound. Kanya mo options kanina sila upat. Kabalo ni mag-isa.
Magawa na lang yung sabot
Oh, pwede yung mag-sound ang sakot mga 5 seconds. Sige. You ready? You ready? Isa ba? Start of a person ang hindi kaya tama. Kung ako mag-umpisa ka sound, any sound you can make. Isa ka person lang ako tingin ha? Isa ka person. Okay. 1, ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Wait, wala ka. Tapos, you can discuss. You can discuss. You can discuss. What's your guess?
1, 2, 3. Sila.
So, rotation na. No, isa pa.
Ay, isa ba?
Rotation na. Ako ba na i-partay na ito sila rotation. Kamu po, rotation. Rotation ka para mag-mapping tanan. Everyone, master,
Ay, so magulog ni guest.
five rounds per group. 5 rounds.
Guys, 1-0.
Bullying is not tolerated in this class. Understood? Yes, teacher. Good. Good, Kyla. Everyone, quiet. Use your ears to listen. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Only one person will make a sound, ha? 1, 2, 3, go. Sandali, ikaw, wag na ka doon. You listen carefully.
Oh, tama. Eh, tama. Wala.
Hindi siya mapagdigil. Promise.
Okay.
What's your guess?
1, 2, 3, go.
Now, rotation number 2. Ako wala makatry dito sa So, last rotation. One, ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Pangkat
Sila.
Discuss.
No, Mali. Repeat it. Ay, Stella, yung mata bumbang.
Ako, palaway. Kaya yung mo.
1, 2, 3, go.
Well, switch mo dito.
Here, go. Discuss.
Wait, discuss mo yung fun taking out time.
Discuss.
Discuss mo, but
Kira.
Ready?
Gusto ko yung dito.
Ready?
Ayun.
Ready? Last.
Basta na ayaw mong nakaya.
Okay, last. One time. Last time na. Listen carefully.
Number change.
What's your guess? 3, 2, 1. Alisina. Okay.
Kira, balik kami, balik kami.
Now, again, rotation. Because of your sound.
no, sequence ba?
Okay.
Okay.
Wala ka pa rin sa war. Ano din? Ay, Marco! Ikaw ba? Settle down, settle down. Settle down. Settle down, please, boys. Settle down. Easy. Okay, are you ready? You guys want to remember your names. Give me some seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Settle down, settle down. Settle down. Listen carefully.
One, two, three.
Please settle down, settle down. Elmar.
Belum pakai ilmu.
Okay, we'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. 5,
Wala tayo mga
3, 2, 1. Settle down na, Christy.
Ya tapos ako ito yun.
Ready na?
1,
1, 2, 3, go.
okay na to.
Let's start.
Wah, repeat. Akan direct.
Discuss.
Ceria daw. Dapat isa yung things